Advanced Elements AirFusion Evo Inflatable Kayak. Hybrid aluminum frame and high-pressure drop-stitch air chamber design. Inflatable coaming for spray skirt attachment. Roll-top rear storage access hatch. Portable no-roof rack needed. Pack in the trunk of your car or fly it to remote destinations. Carrying duffel bag with shoulder straps included. Sevylor Big Basin 3-person kayak, blue. Heavy-duty PVC construction is rugged for lake use. Tarpaulin bottom provides durable protection from punctures. Multiple air chambers allow another chamber to stay inflated if one is punctured. Boston valve is double-threaded for easy inflation/deflation. Adjustable seats move to fit you. Carry handles make it easy to carry in and out of the water. Spray covers block splashes to help keep you dry. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak, Professional Series Inflatable Fishing Kayak. Super tough laminate PVC with polyester core, lightweight and highly resistant to damage from abrasion, impact and sunlight. High-pressure inflation provides extra rigidity and stability, with high-pressure spring-loaded valves for easy inflation and fast deflation. Includes 2 removable skews for deep and shallow water, 2 floor-mounted footrests, 2 integrated recessed fishing rod holders, 2 adjustable bucket seats. Removable and adjustable mounting bracket for additional accessories, such as GPS systems, fish finders, swivel fishing rod holders, etc. Includes a carry bag and repair patch. Storage space in bow and stern with stainless steel D-rings for tying down dry bags and gear. Kayak total weight capacity, 400 pounds.